In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up courses and enter students into classes in the TESS Class List system. We'll begin in Class Lists, Setup, and set up terms, days, and periods. In this screen, we set up the number of terms or semesters for your school, along with the days and the schedule periods. Many schools run on a semester system, where students take some classes in the first semester and different classes in the second semester, and they may also take some classes that run all year through. Some schools run on quarters, where students switch classes each quarter of the school year, as well as taking courses that run all year through. You can set the number to match your school's requirements. For days, most schools have a one-day schedule, which indicates that students take the same classes each day or on the same period rotation. Other schools have a two-day schedule, where classes may alternate between day 1 and day 2. For periods, enter the number of periods or blocks in your schedule. You can use letters such as A, B, C, D, or numbers for the periods. You can also enter the standard maximum class size, as well as the start and end dates for each semester, but this is optional. Next, we'll go to Class Lists, Setup, Set up Classes. I can select the current course from the drop-down list. Or I can type in part of the course name to search for a course. To add a new course, click the New Course button at the top. Then enter the course number. The course number can include both letters and numbers. Then enter the course name. The course type is C for compulsory, O for optional, or A for alternate. The limit indicates the maximum class size, and in this case it's taken the default class size of 25, and I can change that to a different number if I wish. The code, level, and exam are used to enter the state or provincial course codes if this is required for your school. The exam code is usually ME to indicate an exam is required, or MX if no exam is necessary. Then you can enter the number of credits for the course and the course weight, which is used when the program calculates the GPA. If there is an alternate name for the course, which can be entered in another language, you can enter it under the course foreign name. The section is used so you can have more than one class of this course. To create a class, just type in a new section number. I'll start with section number 1. Then click Select Teachers to choose the teacher for this class. Click OK. Then enter the classroom or select the room from the drop-down list. In the Terms column, enter 1 if this class is scheduled in the first semester, or 2 for the second semester. If the class runs all year, I can enter 1-2 to indicate both semesters. In the Days column, enter the day code, and for most schools this is going to be just number 1. In the Periods column, enter the period where the class is scheduled. For example, I can enter C to indicate this class is scheduled into C block. If you have any classes that are double period, you can enter both periods, or whichever period code is appropriate. Now I can enter students directly into the class. In the Name column, I can type in the name of a student, and select the student from the name cross-reference list, or I can type in the student number. I can continue adding new students to the class until finished. The class size is indicated at the bottom. Then I click Save. To remove a student from the class, I click the row to select it, and then press the Delete key on the keyboard. And then the student is removed from the class. I can put other students in. And save when I'm done. I can also copy and paste students from this class to another class and back into any number of other classes. To copy this class, I click the Copy button, which is just to the right of the Close button. This copies the list of students into the clipboard. Then I can select the class that I want to copy the students into from the drop-down list. In this example, I'm going to copy these students into French 10. So I'll find French 10. It brings up French 10, and it brings up the first section of French 10. This course already has 5 classes taught by these teachers, as shown in this list. To create a new class, I'm just going to put in a new section number 6 and select a teacher. And now I can paste the list of students that I've copied into the clipboard from the other class into this class by clicking the Paste button down here at the bottom. Then I can enter in any other details about that class that I want to, including the terms, the days, and the periods. And click Save when I'm done. To print this class, I can simply click the Print button. And I'll preview it. And it prints the class list on screen for me. You can also go to Class Lists, Reports, and print a wide variety of class list reports, including student schedules, class lists by teacher and by period, class size reports, the master schedule, teacher schedules, and room schedules.